Dear student, due to coronavirus, school started online classes for your study. So you can subscribe Golden Flower Palia YouTube channel, like and press the bell icon.
Hello students, this is the part 18 and in this 18th part I will solve a question number 16. So now let's start a question number 16. See the question. P and Q are partners, profit sharing and loss in the ratio 60:40. So stand two partners are there. First is P and second is Q. Profit sharing ratio 60:40. You can distribute the profit in this ratio, but is a lengthy calculation. You can simplify this ratio. It simplify 2 to the 6 and 2 to the 4. 3:2. Now continue the question. On 1st April 2014, their capital were P 5 lakh and Q 3 lakh. During the year ended 31st March 15, they earned a net profit of 7,60,000. The term of partnership are: first is investment, interest on capital to be charged 8% per annum. So the firm are allowing the interest on capital to the partners is 8%. Then first calculation of interest on capital. First part is P, second is Q. Capital is 5 lakh and 3 lakh and Q is 3 lakh. And rate of interest is 8% per annum. So 40,000 and 8% for the Q, 34,000. Clear interest on capital. Next calculation, P will get commission 3% on turnover. So students, at the last para, P drawing for the year were P 40,000 and Q 30,000. Turnover for the year was 20 lakh. So turnover is given. So in this time we will calculate a P's commission. Those are based on the turnover. Turnover is given in the question. 20 lakh turnover is given. And commission percentage is 3% on his turnover. Is equal to 60,000. Clear this point? Next point, Q will get a salary of 5,000 per month. Then Q salary, the firm are paying the partner Q salary. Q salary is 5,000 per month. We are preparing a yearly account, then multiply by 12. Is equal to 60,000. Next calculation, Q will get commission of 5% on profit after deducting of interest, salary and commissions including his own commission. So here we will calculate a Q's commission. Q's commission. Before the Q's commission, one more estimate is given. The estimate number 5. Q is entitled to a rent of 20,000 per month for the purpose for the use of his premises by the firm. So student, the firm are paying the rent for the using of his premises to the P. So it is not a adjustment for the profit loss appropriation account. This is an adjustment for profit loss account. So these adjustment you can deduct from the profit in the profit loss account, and you can mention in the account of profit loss appropriation account. So profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended date is given in the question 31st March 2050. Format, amount, particular amount, amount, and particular amount. So this one column is for particulars column, amount, particulars, and amount. So first we will write a profit by profit. Profit is given for before allowing the rent to the partners. So first we will deduct rent, those rent the firm are paying to the partner. So whose part is there? P. So here we mention on P's rent. P's rent is given on the 20,000 per month. Per month, same calculation for the month. 20,000 multiplied by 12. 2,40,000. Clear this point? 20,000 multiplied by 12, 2,40,000, and remain is 5,20,000. Now, from this profit, we will allow to the interest on capital to the partner, commission and salary, and use commission to the partner. So, first, for the charging of Q's commission, for what the Q's commission estimate, Q will get commission of 5% on profit after deducting of interest, salary. So profit is there because first we will deduct a rent. After that, deduct by 40,000 both of interest and capital, P's commission and Q's salary. Then 40,000 plus 24,000, 60 and 60,000. So 5,20,000, 64 and 120, 184. 5,20,000, then 1,84,000, 3,36,000. And the question is given interest or the commission percentage is 5%, including his own commission. It means, students, in this question is given after including your own commission. So commission is 5%. I explained on the at my last video. If the question is given for about the before, then we will charge percentage upon 100. If the question is given for the after, then we will charge percentage upon 100 plus percentage. So see the calculation: 1, 21, 21 and 16,000. You can check this amount. And now, after the calculation of all the postings, interest on capital calculated, P's commission calculated, Q's salary calculated, Q's commission calculated. Now, we post this in the profit loss appropriation account. All are allowing those of the firm are allowing to the partner. These all expenses to the firm. These all will be a debit because the firm will be charged out of the profit. So first, interest on capital to interest on capital. First partner P, second is Q. For the P, 40,000 and Q 24,000 is equal to 64,000. Next is P's commission. To P's commission, P's commission is equal to 60,000 and Q's salary. Q's salary is equal to 60,000 and last was on Q's commission. To Q's commission is equal to 16,000. Now total 5,20,000. It's the credit, total credit balance, and debit is 64 and 16, 80, 80 oh, 240, 240 and 60, 2 lakh 120, 5,20,000 and 6 4 10 1 90 120,000, 2 lakh 520 less by 2 lakh 3 lakh 20,000. So profit will transfer to profit transfer to P's capital account and Q's capital account. Profit is 3,20,000 in the ratio of 3:2, 3/5, and for 2/5. 3,20,000. 604, 64,000. 64 multiplied by 3. 1,92,000 and 64 same. 64 multiplied by 2. 1,28,000. And total balance is 5,20,000 and profit transfer is 3,20,000. So friends, profit loss appropriation account is completed. In this question, we will prepare both the accounts, profit loss appropriation account and partners capital account. So let's now see the partners capital account. Now friends, after the solution of profit loss appropriation account, next account partners capital account, that one account will solve in this question as per the asking for the question. So format is ready for saving the time. Now start the posted. First here we will write a balance because it is a credit side and all the income of the partner, it will be a credit. So balance also there 5 lakh and 3 lakh. By balance BD 5 lakh and 3 lakh. Next calculation we have done by interest on capital 40,000 and 24,000, right? Next calculation, next posting of commission. By commission, P's commission was 60,000 and Q's commission was P's commission 60,000 and Q's commission was on 16,000. And salary, by salary of Q 60,000. Next, by profit and loss appropriation account profit. Balance of the profit was on, I am written here 1,92,000 as per the profit loss appropriation account 1,28,000. Now one more estimate is remain, estimate of rent. The firm are giving the rent to the P 20,000 per month. What was the amount? 20,000 per month. 20,000 per month, and yearly is multiplied by 12, 2,40,000. The firm are allowing the rent to the P Here we'll pass the entry P's rent account debit to P's capital. So in the P's capital, the rent will be a credit. Rent account debit to P's capital or a P's rent account debit to P's capital. So in the P's account, that will be a credit by rent. Now on the debit side is given in the question. P and Q are both are drawing is 40,000 and 30,000. But student, interest on drawing is not given in the question. Then will not be charged interest on drawing, but drawing it will be a debit. Those drawing has to be done by the partner. The firm will be charged at the time of distribution of profit. I think P's drawing was 40,000 and Q's drawing was 30,000. What was the amount of the drawing? P's was 40,000 and Q was 30,000. P's was 40,000 and Q was 30,000. Now total, I think posting is posted in the account. Five lakh 28,000 and the P's account 2 13 19 4 23 2 2 6 8 8 10 lakh 32,000. Then balancing 10 lakh 32,000 minus 42,000. First balance is 9 lakh 92,000, 5 lakh 28,000, 30,000, 4 lakh 98,000. It is a new balance after do all the adjustments. 9 lakh 92,000 and 4 lakh 98,000. Balancing 10 lakh 32,000 and 5 lakh 28,000. Yesterday now question is completed as per the asking for the question. So you can note down this question from the board and do the practice for this numerical. Thank you, students.
Do self study at home and stay home, save lives.